This na entertainment roundup at Naija 102 FM.
Actor Lateef Adedimeji go act as Bola Ahmed Tinubu aka Jagaban for the new story film wey dem call Last Man Standing. Na a film wey Seun Oloketuyi direct. Also, we see video online when the National Drug Law Enforcement agents, NDLEA people, dem burst enter the house of some music artists, Mohbad and Zinoliski, to arrest them. The NDLEA talk say dem see drugs with the artists as they arrest them. The two of them na artists wey dey signed under Malian Records, and we know say na music star Naira Marley na im get the label. If you remember, Naira Marley himself bin don get kwanta with the EFCC. The case sef still dey for court. And as Naira Marley dey react to the arrest of im artist, he write for im Twitter say, "Wetin dey happen to my brothers dey very very disgusting. The injustice dey unfair and e don begin dey look like say na pattern. First na me, now na my artists. Free Zinoliski, free Shubomi, free My C and Dusky." But na EFCC you get contact with, no be NDLEA, but all the same, none of them are government. Meanwhile, he also yarn say the NDLEA don't release Mohbad, but he say them beat am before they release her. Meanwhile, we see picture of gospel singer Sammy Okposo and his wife as then they enjoy themselves for holiday from Mexico. Sammy say then they for vacation. They need am o, especially as Sammy be don use mouth and social media apologize before. Now na action remain. After all, dem say action e dey talk louder than voice. Some music artists drop some new singles. Former made-men music artist Techno, he drop a new single wey he call the title Mufasa. Nonso Amadi drop his own new single. Na Foreigner he title that one. Nonso actually dey behave like foreigner. And rapper Reminisce drop another single from the Alaye Toshe Gogo album wey dey come for front. He titled that one Hustle, and he featured The Smoke and Buju, Benson inside. Chike sef released video of his song Nwoke Oma, and he go also headline the industry night. While superstar producer Sets the Problem Kid also drop a new single wey he call Revival. Meanwhile, we see actress Nse Ikpe Etim and musician Akon for one new comedy movie where the title be American King. The trailer just come out. We also see artist Portable for Instagram as in the yap people where they advise him say make him they behave well for social media. Him say him be big man now and him phone fit buy some people car. Well, Portable, we no go advise you here. We just tell you so make you continue to be waiting. They be Portable, because to get another hit single, no easy. Finally, Nigerian pop star Davido don't cry out talk say one politician wey him like, wey him respect, and wey him dey look up to wan mess him and his family up. But him believe God say nothing go happen to them, no shaking for him side. And some of the major entertainment gist be that on top at Naija 102 FM. Join us next time for more. Enjoy your weekend.